Hi guys, it's me, and today I'm going to be doing a mail time. So yeah, I'm just gonna log in really quick. Sorry. Um, I keep on writing my password wrong. Okay, so if you guys have not noticed, it is rare week. Um, so yeah. I have been doing trades earlier, so if you guys want to do trades with me, just tell me. I'll do them with you. Yeah, that's all I got to sell. But my friend is gonna send more gifts. She told me that she's gonna send tattoos, but she's not on right now. That's pretty sad. But when she gets them, I'll send. So let's go to my profile and open the gifts. Okay, let me just do opening gifts. There we go. First one is from Emma12106. We had her in the last one, so please give a shout. I'm gonna give a shout out to her because she's one of my best friends. So yeah, let's open the first gift. Thank you. Next gift is also from her. She sent a whole page. Oh my god, thank you. It's All Stars. Next gift, Tiger Ears. Oh yeah. Oh, let's see what he gave us. Okay. Next gift is also from her. I got her gift, like her shirt. It's just um thank you. She got me a rare too, but she gave me find it really quick. She gave me this shirt, but I didn't get a chance to. No. So that's that. So next gift is from X, capital X, X, adoring stars, X, capital X. Yeah. So here's the first gift from her. Thank you. She's also very sweet. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's two all stars now. You never know. Sorry, that song is stuck in my head. Yeah, I only had a little bit of gifts this time, but it's fine.